MindMate promo code /MindMateCum discount codes. In today's online shopping world, saving money has never been easier, thanks to promo codes and discount coupons. These little codes can make a big difference in your final checkout total, and they're more accessible than you might think. Don't forget to check out the links for the best promo codes and discounts, available in the video description and comments section. And if you want to keep saving money with exclusive deals, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new coupons, promo codes, and special offers. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now and start saving. Step 1. Click on the link in the description or the comments. Step 2. Follow the step-by-step guide shown in the video and search for the offer or coupon you want. Step 3. Complete your purchase and choose your preferred payment method. Step 4. Everything is set. Just wait for your product to arrive. Don't forget to check out the description below for links to some of the best current promo codes and discounts available right now. Happy shopping!